Rachel and I'm in my first year, otherwise known as HBA 1 year, at Ivey Business School. The HBA program is known for its case-based learning method and, of course, 48-hour reports. Here's how it works. You're put into a group of 6 people, given a case, and you have literally 48 hours to complete a deliverable. This can be in the form of a written report, presentation, or a mix of both. Today, I'll be taking you through the finfun 48 and show you what a day in the life is really like. Let's go!
Hello.
Hi team! Before we get into the video, I want to share some crazy news. Thank you Anna Luisa for sponsoring this video. I discovered Anna Luisa about a year ago. The first pair of earrings I bought was actually these ones over here. You've probably seen me wear them in a lot of videos. I've been wearing them every day. I find it difficult to find earrings that are high quality, so for a long time these were my only pair of hoops. I love that I can wear them every day and that they're still in perfect condition. Clasp doesn't get loose and the material never rusts. Another thing is that I have very sensitive ears. Little story time, but I actually got an ear infection the first time I got my ears pierced. Basically, I was 13 years old. I was sitting in a little Claire's store, as one does. And I was devastated because I wanted to wear earrings so bad, but like, they were getting infected. I just want to be like all the other girls. But good news, Anna Luisa products are all hypoallergenic. These are the Rocks earrings and they're 14K gold plated on recycled sterling silver. So you know they're gonna be long lasting. That being said, if you're not satisfied with your purchase for any reason, you have a 2-year warranty on all products. This is another pair of earrings I got. They're the Jessica style in silver. Bro, look how cute. They have little dangling hearts. That's the cutest thing ever. All their products are water resistant and carbon neutral. One of their core values is sustainability, so they use recycled materials wherever possible. I know I've been showing a lot of earrings, but Anna Luisa has all types of products, from necklaces to bracelets to rings. These are 2 other necklaces I got. These are the Lore and Vita necklaces, styles in gold. Again, they're all 14K gold on sterling silver, and I love that these pieces are so minimalist and timeless. I think it instantly elevates any outfit and goes with any aesthetic. All right, so that's my little spiel. Link all these products I got in the description below. And thank you again, Anna Luisa. This is my first ever sponsorship, and I'm so glad it's a product that I actually love, and I really hope you guys love it too. Now, let's get back to the video. Hi guys, welcome to day 1 of the 48-hour report.
I'm Chris.
Yeah.
We wasted an hour and 48 minutes and we have read 9 pages of the case.
It's the time, so Can I use someone else's phone for the time? It's a weird lock screen. It is currently 3:50 p.m. The case was released at 2 p.m. and we have until Friday at 2 p.m. to submit it. What course is this for?
FinFun.
Which stands for?
Financial Fundamentals of Accounting? Question mark?
Here are our other group members, UK and Sahil. Any words to say to the camera?
I think we have one of the strongest team in this section, so
Yeah, what have we been doing for the past 2 hours?
we've been bonding. That's important. We've been making.
We're making some memories. Also, I know this background looks depressing. It's because it's Weldon. By the way, watch my Rating Every Library video over here. It has a snack called brownies.
Veggie straws.
Chat time. Available in Weldon now.
Peanuts because we hate Rachel.
I'm allergic to peanuts.
White cheddar popcorn. Jalapeno chips.
Chocolate chip cookies.
Ringolos.
Popcorn.
An undisclosed silver bag. We will just jot that.
Look, as you can see,
We
snacks.
are fat.
Snacks are crucial. Bro, I swear I'm not gonna hear anything. You're just gonna hear the rings are crucial to succeeding on the 48-hour report.
That's it?
That's it.
What?
You have to show your mug.
I'm one.
The one I'm talking about.
I have a coffee mug.
It's a stressed, blessed, and coffee obsessed. It's funny, actually. They're back. They're back. What you guys get? Chat time. This is Romelia.
Are the brownies good?
They are really good. Romelia baked the brownies. This is Jen. Now we're gonna do a report.
Okay, but the issue is.
Hey guys,
What hour are we in? 6, meaning that the case is at 2 p.m.
4 hours. Almost 5 hour mark.
Almost 5 hours mark. I think I'm losing my mind, to be honest. 43 more hours to go. Change of location. On an empty classroom. I guess it's for sleeping though. This is where we're sleeping tonight.
Sleeping. I'm sleeping in my bed tonight.
Guys, it's already nighttime already. That's how long we've been here for. Want to give a tour of Weldon?
This is the 2nd floor.
It's a conversation friendly
Us on
zone.
the 2nd floor.
This is us on the 2nd floor. That's crazy. We're going on a walk because otherwise we're gonna lose our minds. Where are you going?
At the gym, getting ripped. After all this
For
nap.
Niagara.
Chaos. Chaos is
You better know. You better know. I just wanna know you.
no. Making the love time.
Everything has changed.
These fail. It's always free food at the UCC. Cheers. 9:45 p.m. We are on hour 8 of the 48 report. We got 40 hours left. How much of the report did we finish?
Like 10%. But we're getting pizza. That's the important part.
We are getting pizza. Pizza acquired! Not him. Back home. It's my home.
Do you think bubble tea things are still open right now?
We just had chat. Oh, can we get kung fu tea?
All we do is eat.
You all the time. Actually, no, I'm on Pangea.
Jason. Hi, Jason.
Hi, Rachel.
What'd you do today?
I worked really hard on my finfun 48. Been
Yeah.
here since 3 p.m. It's currently 11:40.
How much did you get done?
Wrote maybe like 20 words.
That's amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, we're leaving now. They went over. Bye. Hey guys, welcome to day 2. It's 11 a.m.
21.
Hour 21. Today is grind day.
Waiting for Chris to wake up.
Oh yeah, we are waiting for Chris to wake up. Hi guys, how are you? Clay, what's going on here?
So here, this is the Ivey School of Business. Not only do we have the smartest in the world, we have the best food.
It's Justin and Sunny. VP Academic and VP Connect. We're heading to a WMA event. Hi Justin.
Host WMA LinkedIn optimization
Workshop.
workshop.
Justin's our videographer. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Um,
I was way off base with that one.
what do you guys think of the event?
It was great, very insightful, very
Stellar.
informative.
My LinkedIn is very optimal right now.
This is Matthew.
You guys know me. I've been
I
here
know, he's a
before.
recurring character. You know Romelia as
This
well.
is
When worlds collide, you know?
I'm from Worlds Collide. As an Asian gamer, girl,
Jennifer. Plug your Twitch right now.
Twitch.tv/Jenga.
Rachel's getting hot bacon right now.
No, I'm not.
That's crazy.
Today is Friday, November 4th, meaning that it is Abby Roy's release day. Music release. We're gonna listen to his new single, Rumors, out now on Spotify.
Not even just as friends. You try to get back with me, you start crying.
I like this song. That's actually good.
Try